We're making a delicious potato and egg pie. Now to our egg, we're going to add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and red pepper. Maybe an ounce or two of milk. Add our sliced potatoes here. Spread them around a little. And we're going to take our eggs here and we're going to put them right in there. Now we're going to try to flip this over. Wow, is that beautiful looking. And we're going to put some cheese on top. Now we're going to take a little bit of mozzarella because we like mozzarella. Okay, let's shut off our burner because that's done. Oh, wow. Can you see that? Look at the potatoes in there. All right, let's just have a little bite. Oh, you're going to love this.